Welcome to your French class. Our today's topic is futur proche, means your near future. It emphasizes that there is already an intention to carry out the action in near future. So let's start the topic. Le futur proche means the near future. As I have already told you, actions that will take place shortly. Like sometimes we say, I'm going to meet my friends in the evening. So it is my near future. I'm talking about an action that will take place shortly. Or I'm going to have my lunch with my friends. Or I'm going to see a movie in the evening. So all these actions, wheresoever I'm using going word in English, are showing that the action is going to be done shortly or going to be done in near future. So let's see the formation, how we are going to do it in French. Formation is like, first of all, you need a subject, means the doer, whosoever will be doing the action. Then comes the conjugation of aller. As I told you in English, we say, I'm going to meet my friends or I'm going to have my lunch with my friends. Going means to, go means aller. Okay, so we need this verb. So first of all, subject will come, then conjugation of aller, present conjugation of aller, then comes the verb. Which verb? The infinitive form of the verb, the action that is to be done in near future. Now see, here we have taken the conjugation of aller because this is the most important part of futur proche. This conjugation is very much important. See, the first word is je. With je, the conjugation is like je vais. I am going or I go. Tu vas, you go or you are going. Il, elle va. Both the pronouns take the same conjugation. Il va, elle va, he is going, she is going, or he goes, she goes. Nous allons, we are going or we go. Vous allez, you are going or you go. Ils vont, elles vont, they, the boys are going. They, the girls are going. Now after writing this part, you can write the infinitive form of the verb, the action that is going to be done in near future. Like if I say I'm going to drink coffee in the evening, or I'm going to drink coffee after 2 minutes or 3 minutes or after 2 hours, in very near future, then I say je vais boire du café. So now vais verb is showing, this word is showing itself that the action is going to be done in near future or very shortly. Tu vas boire du café. You are going to drink or you are going to have coffee. It means very shortly that person is going to have coffee. Il va boire du café or elle va boire du café. Nous allons boire du café. Vous allez boire du café. Ils vont boire du café or elles vont boire du café. So all the cases are showing that the person, whomsoever the subject we are talking about, is going to do the action in a short period of time. Now we'll see how we use this in sentences. Let's take the first sentence. Vous prenez le train. You are taking the train. Now we are going to change this statement in this way that it seems like the person is going to do that work or going to take the train in near future, like in the evening or like after 2 hours or after 2 minutes. Now what we are supposed to do is, this is the main verb that is to be used in its infinitive form, and the main verb that will work for futur proche is aller that we have learnt. So vous prenez le train, you take the train. We are going to convert it into like you are going to take the train. So let's start. Vous will come as it is because it is the subject. Now we are not going to take this conjugation. This conjugation will work here. So with vous pronom, the conjugation is aller. Vous allez. Now we'll use infinitive form of this verb. This is prendre. Vous allez prendre le train. Suppose ce soir you are going to take the train, or this evening you can add these kind of things. Je fais mon devoir. I do my homework. Now fait is the actual infinitive form of fait is faire, and here we are going to take the infinitive form only, and in the place of conjugated form we are going to take aller's conjugation. So how to conjugate aller with je? It is je vais. So we'll write je vais. Now we'll write the infinitive form faire. Actual verb is faire. Je vais faire mon devoir. Suppose very shortly I'm going to do my homework. Je fais mon devoir, I do my work. Je vais faire mon devoir, I'm going to do my work. Suppose very shortly I'm going to do that work. Elle téléphone à ses parents. She telephones or she makes a phone call to her parents. Now I want to say in a very short period of time she is going to do that action. Very shortly she is going to make a phone call. So I'll write elle as it is. Now again this verb is to be used in its infinitive form, and in place of this I'm going to use the conjugation of aller, and with elle it is va. Elle va. Now I will write the infinitive form of telephone. It is er verb. I'll write the complete verb here. Now I will write rest of the sentence à ses parents. Now it will be read like elle va téléphoner à ses parents. She is going to make a phone call to her parents. Je vois un film français. I see or I watch a French film. I see a French film. Now I am saying I'm going to see. Suppose in a short span of time I'm going to see, or in the evening I'm having any plan to see that movie with my friends. So I'm giving that sense. So I'll write je. Now with je the conjugation of aller is vais. I will write vais. The actual conjugation voir is, the actual verb is voir. Here we have written voir, the conjugated form of voir, that is to see. Je vais voir un film français. So now it means I am going to see a French film. Now let's see some more sentences. Now take this sentence. Ils arrivent dans 2 minutes. They are reaching or they are arriving in 2 minutes. Now we are going to change it like they are going to arrive or they are going to reach in 2 minutes. So we'll take the pronoun, the subject il plural, and accordingly we'll take the conjugation, that is vont. Now we'll take the infinitive form of the given verb, that is arriver. It's an er verb. Now rest of the sentence we'll write as it is, dans 2 minutes. Okay? Now see. Ils vont arriver dans 2 minutes. They means the boys are going to come or going to arrive in 2 minutes. Le professeur explique la nouvelle leçon. The professor, the teacher, explains or is explaining the new lesson. Now, le professeur is third person singular. He is masculine. So let's take il case. Il singular, so we'll take the conjugation of il, that is va. Now explique is given here in conjugated form. We are going to take the infinitive form, that is explique, and rest of the sentence will write as it is, la nouvelle leçon. Elle ne parle pas. She does not speak, and we are going to change it like she is not going to speak. So we'll write the subject. Now we'll take the conjugation, that is va. Now see, it's a negative statement. Only the first verb will be negated. We'll negate va. So we are going to write ne and pas after va. So I'll write ne here and pas here. Il s'habille pour la soirée. He is getting ready for the party. Now he is going to get ready for the party means in a very short period of time he is getting ready. So il. Now s'habiller is to be taken in its infinitive form, and in place of this we are going to take the conjugation of aller, that is va. Il va. Now we'll write the conjugation as it is, s'habiller, the complete infinitive form, and then the sentence, pour la soirée. He is going to get ready for the party. It means very shortly he is going to get ready. So this was about the futur proche. If you need to ask anything related to this exercise, do ask me in the comment box. Thank you.